Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel Goddess Glow Up. Today we are bringing a little beauty and mystery together with this pretty floral Halloween look, spooky feminine and full of goddess energy that's hauntingly gorgeous yet so simple to recreate. And the best part, it looks intricate but totally beginner friendly. I actually created this look on my daughter back in 2021. We literally had 5 minutes to get ready and she pulled it off so well, hasn't she? My spooky little munchkin. So yeah, let's get started. But before we actually start, let me show you my setup today. Setting an intention, what keeps my creativity on track while filming. I'm using Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum. Prep your skin with glowy base. Next, my favorite Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue to nourish my skin around the eyes, and Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream to hydrate and prep my skin. We are keeping this look balanced, part live, part afterlife. And then MAC Stroke Cream for the afterlife glow. Always start from within. Glowing skin sets the base for any transformation. Even when we are creating dark, there's always light beneath it. Now we are lightly sketching the skull shape, cheek hollows, nose, temples, using a white or nude eyeliner pencil. You can actually use any color for mapping basically, any eye pencil or fine tip liner that you have at hand. And don't stress about perfection, we'll blend and beautify it later. The beauty of this look is in the flow. The sketch is just the map to where your magic will bloom. And now I'm taking a black eyeliner pencil to finalize the mapping and creating the final stencil. Using a black liner to define the map lines we have created. You can totally use an eyeshadow for this look, but I prefer using an eyeliner because it gives more striking look. That's easier to blend. And I'm using House Labs High Power Pigment in Black Onyx, blending one area at a time. And now I am softly blending each line and creating a gradient effect. You can blend it on its own, or if you're feeling a bit extra creative, try blending it with a bit of grey eyeshadow to create a seamless gradients. Remember, define these hollows and add soft blend of grey for softer finish. This is where we keep it pretty, not harsh. And this part represents our shadow. We embrace it softly, beautifully, blend with gentle strokes, letting it feel like smoke fading into the light. And here's where our skull gets her goddess moment. I'm adding floral elements using small petals and vines around the eyes and temples by again using House Labs High Power Pigment in matte formula in the shades Citron, Scarlet and Mint. This is where death meets rebirth. Our floral skull blooms with color and goddess energy, and elements where your intuition guides you. Sky is your limit. You can hand paint them, stencil flowers, or even stick on some 3D florals. And I'm just drawing some curly vines and letting my intuition guide me. You don't have to plan so much. Just pick up your brushes and go with the flow. I'm using my favorite L'Oreal Panorama Mascara in black just onto the top lashes, and using Maybelline Tattoo Liner in black, I am softly tightlining my waterline. Please don't skip this step. Using Inglot Loose Glitter in the shade Bronze, I am bringing a bit of sparkle to the eyes. Come on, there's no way I would skip glitter. Add some glitter, add some sequins or rhinestones around the flowers or the vines to make it look ethereal. We bring back the glow because even in the dark, your spirit shines bright. And I am using some body glitter that I had for ages. I actually used to do henna and apply this glitter on top to make it look fancy. And again, guided by intuition, I am using the body glitter to bring back some shine and the texture to the look. This is it, half job done. No Halloween look is perfect without the costume, and I'm using whatever I have at home. Wearing my mother-in-law's lace top, borrowed black lace dupatta from her, and pinning it on top of my head. Well, the sticker, this is so old, and I borrowed some floral headbands and some floral accessories from my daughter to finish off the look. Just mixed and matched everything basically. No need to buy if you got lots of things at home, and just improvise and be creative. But I wasn't feeling that it's not giving that vibe, so change of plans. I was drawn towards deep red lips for more mysterious look, so decided to line my lips with 2 deep shades, one dark brown and the other one almost black plum dark brown kind of shade lip liner, and using darker shades of red liquid lipstick, I am dabbing it onto my lips. I like to apply liquid lipstick with my fingertips and later define it with a lip liner. This way it lasts longer and doesn't dry out my lips. And that's it. Here she is, the pretty floral skull. I love how this look balances spooky and stunning. It's perfect for Halloween or any time you want to express inner beauty in a magical way. I love how this look mixes beauty and the mystery, and is honestly so easy for beginners to recreate. And if you try it out, tag me on Instagram at gsuraartistry so I can see your goddess version. I'll leave the link in the description box below. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss your next glow up moment. And remember, true beauty blooms from your spirit, even in the spooky season. Trust in your magic.